So we're at the train resort here in Pattaya, not too far from Jomtien Beach, about a 15-minute walk and about half an hour walk to Pattaya Beach and to walking street. So yeah, I mean, pretty cool. Looks like a train and the rooms are pretty decent too. It's got sauna, swimming pool, little gym. So yeah, for £10 a night, it's really, really good. Good value for money and not bad location too. So I'll just show you around. Well, down here you just got the reception bit and there the rooms there going all the way down the bottom. So yeah, there's a reception to the right. Very helpful. I tried putting my phone, the guy was really helpful, helped me with my phone. I'm not too sure what's up there. But here you see they got the sort of little balcony, little chilling place. So yeah, we'll have a look in the rooms. As you see, pretty basic, but got a nice double bed, got telly, got aircon as well. So you got a nice kitchen area as well. Nice little cool hallway. So yeah, I've got a fridge, just a little kitchen, a sink, kettle. Yeah, just have a look in the bathroom. So yeah, pretty basic. Just got a normal shower, a little sink, but for £10 a night, guys. So yeah, this is where the rooms are. So you see, you've got a nice little chill out bit there. We'll walk back down to where the gym is. I'll show you. There's a little restaurant bit, gym, little snooker table, etc. So I'm staying right at the bottom of the train, the last carriage. The train resort. So yeah, it's a pretty funky place. Yeah, you're near Underworld, Pattaya, and the theme park as well. Well, water park, sorry. Yeah, I mean, you're literally a motorbike taxi or a taxi away from both beaches, from central Pattaya as well. So if you want to do shopping, it's not too far, but you're not right in the mix. It's quiet at night. So here we've got the sauna, swimming pool. And yeah, we've got a nice little restaurant here. They do breakfast and then they do a lunch as well. We've got a swimming pool area there. A nice big pool. Another pool table there. Another game of pool in Pattaya. Some outdoor showers there. And see, you got a little sort of jacuzzi, I think, and a plunge pool. And then you got a sauna here on your left. And then just a little gym area. And it's not too big, but pretty basic. It's got everything you need though. I mean, remember guys, you're only paying £10 a night, so I mean, to get all of this stuff in Pattaya is really good value for money, I believe. So there you have it, guys. The train resort, £10 a night in Pattaya.